When given the cinemagraph project, I was very excited to relate a real world concept with what students learn in the mathematics classroom. Many times, students do not see how what they learn in the mathematics classroom relates to what they see every day. By doing this, I recorded many videos to possibly use, such as rides down the shore, the Ferris wheel, different arcade games, basketball, water fountain, all which could be used to show mathematics in the real world. But I finally decided on this coffee pot because it would show a concept that is very hard for students to understand. My audience for this is my AP Calculus students on a topic called related rates. So, with related rates, the rates of which the height of the coffee is rising, the volume is also getting larger, and the rate at which coffee is pouring out of the coffee machine into the coffee pot all relate to each other. And how are they related? This topic in textbooks and on worksheets is very mathematically given, and students do not see what is actually happening. By using this, they will be able to see that the height is changing and the volume is changing as coffee is pouring into the coffee cup. My first complication was with how long it takes for the coffee pot to actually fill. Given that you can only use about 3 to 5 seconds of a video, my first cinemagraph looked like this. Although you can see that the coffee is moving, you cannot see the height changing or the volume changing. It just seems that the coffee in the cup is just moving and bubbling a little bit. So I needed to make it faster. In order to make it faster, I was able to take out some frames and skip some frames so that you can see the height changing. In this version, you can see the height changing a little faster, knowing that the volume is changing as the coffee is pouring in. The next thing to think about was what in this picture can take away from what I'm trying to show. So, two things that I found distracting were this power cord over here and this white blob of steam. I masked and faded these areas with the background in order to make this. So as you can see in my final cinemagraph, they are not present. This, as well as many others, can be used to show students how applications in mathematics can be used to model the world around them.